This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus. Filmy Friday on Go MMT Radio.
It's the new year 2025. So if your lucky number is 9 or you think that you can make any number lucky for you, then this is the year for you. Yeah? Like they say, if you decide that you're going to be unstoppable, nobody can even think of coming close to you. So I think that is what the lesson is this year we need to really hold on to, which is it is you who have to make up your mind to go after your goals, to go after your dreams. It's okay if you fall back a little bit here and there. We're only humans. Let's be nice and kind to ourselves and kind to everyone else. We can make whatever it is we wish to happen. That is, I think, one of the first steps to manifestation. Something that you want to really go after, that you have to just be at it, consistent, committed, dedicated, and do it with all the love and heart that you have. Happy 2025 to you. My name is Annie. The show is on Go MMT Radio and it's called Filmy Friday. So are there films releasing? Of course there are, but none in the theaters, only one, and that's a Hollywood film, an animation movie, a franchise. I will talk about it. बताऊंगी ज़रूर. पर बाकी सारा कुछ रिलीज हो रहा है OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स पर. तो उनके बारे में तो आपको जानना है ही, क्योंकि ये जो वीकेंड है ना, सबसे पहला वीकेंड ऑफ द न्यू ईयर 2025, ये थोड़ा हमने आराम से ही शुरू करना चाहिए. इट इज़ गुड टू टेक एवरी स्टेप दैट वी टेक विद आवर कंप्लीट प्रेजेंस इन द मोमेंट. सही बात कही है ना? तो चलिए इसी बात पर आपको ये भी बता दूं, अगर आप बड़े फैन हो मिस्टर बीस्ट के, कि उन्होंने अब तक का सबसे पर्सनल न्यूज़ शेयर किया है दैट ही इज गॉट एंगेज्ड टू फेलो यूट्यूबर थिया बोयसन, हुज पेरेंट्स कम फ्रॉम साउथ अफ्रीका, हु आल्सो एक्चुअली हरसेल्फ कम्स फ्रॉम साउथ अफ्रीका. तो बड़ा ही बेसिक, बड़ा ही सिंपल बट ब्यूटिफुल वे ऑफ प्रपोजल उन्होंने किया था अपने गर्लफ्रेंड के लिए. और वो ये था कि थिया के पेरेंट्स जो है साउथ अफ्रीका से आए थे क्रिसमस सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए. मिस्टर बीस्ट की भी पेरेंट्स वहाँ पे थे, जिमी जिनका असली नाम है. And all he did was, when they started opening presents, the last box that was supposed to be opened, that Thea opened, and he pulled out a ring from it. And he went down on one knee and proposed to her. That is so sweet. I think आज के तारीख में हमें सबसे basic और simple चीज़ें करने में, I think we kind of wondering why should we do it anymore because it's not Instagram worthy. But that is what the truth is. The reality is that these are the very simple and most beautiful moments that actually go down in our own personal history. और इसे करना बहुत ज़रूरी है when you are surrounded by family and friends that actually matter to you. Damn cute, I think.
Hello, Go Trippers. Wishing you all a very, very happy and successful New Year 2025. I'm sure that we all are set to really set another benchmark of performance in our personal and professional life with the new year setting in. I wish you and your family a great year ahead. Hope you have a great time. Thank you so much. This is Yuvraj Shrivastava from Human Resource Function. Thank you.
Filmy Friday on Go MMT Radio.
This is Go MMT Radio. Go Trippers. Are you having fun? Has the new year begun on a good note? I hope it has. Maybe you did it with a bunch of friends, traveled to some place exotic, and had a really gala time bringing it in, whether it is with fireworks or just with a glass of your favorite beverage, or maybe nothing at all, simply sitting at home watching a movie. You could have done anything, but let me say this. If you've made up your mind, then 2025 is going to be your year, and I think we have, right? So it's going to be our year. Well, let me take you through some entertaining news. British Royal Meghan Markle, the Duchess of Sussex, she has launched her first Instagram post after 5 years. जी हाँ, 5 साल तक. In fact, उन्होंने अपना Instagram account बंद ही कर दिया था. There were a lot of controversies, and I think she wanted to make a point that life is not on a platform. Life is actually outside of it, and maybe a little bit of it you can put on the platform so people know what's really happening in your life, right? And she's proved it correct. That's because in the very first post itself, where she drew a photo, she drew in 2025, बीच पर थी, और बस वो पोस्ट डालते ही उन्हें 500,000 followers मिल भी गए. The magic of numbers, and that's clearly because she's the Duchess. Even better, an ordinary brown girl who's become the Duchess. And it has happened while you and I live and breathe. Quite cool, I think.
Hello everyone, this is Saujanya here, wishing you all a fantastic 2025 that is full of happiness, good health, and may all your wishes come true. Happy New Year.
चलिए सबसे पहले तो OTT रिलीजेस के बारे में बात करते हैं फिल्मी फ्राइडे पर। काफ़ी सारी रिलीजेस हो रही हैं और सारे OTT पर हो रहे हैं। सिर्फ एक ही हॉलीवुड फिल्म, वो भी एनिमेशन फ्रेंचाइज रिलीज हो रहा है, द थर्ड वन, एंड दैट्स हैपनिंग टुडे इन द थिएटर्स। तो सबसे पहले तो OTT के बारे में बात करते हैं। All We Imagine Is Light, a heartwarming movie that delves into the lives of two nurses, Prabha and Anu. One's life is very simple, okay, but it is shaken up by an unexpected gift from her estranged husband. And the latter, Anu, she struggles to find a place to get intimate with her lover. दो अलग अलग स्टोरीज पर दोनों की प्रोफेशंस एक ही है, और जहाँ पर इनकी स्टोरीज जुड़ जाती हैं उसके बारे में बहुत ही बेसिक फिल्म है, बहुत ही खूबसूरत फिल्म है। सिंपल लाइफ से लेकर एक्चुअली हमें दिखाया गया है कि आवर लाइफ इज सो मच मोर कॉम्प्लेक्स इन द सिंपल थिंग्स दैट आर हैपनिंग इन आवर लाइव्स अराउंड अस, और हम ये ध्यान देते ही नहीं हैं। दिस फिल्म हैज़ रिसीव्ड मल्टीपल इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल अवार्ड्स, और इसे कंसिडर भी किया गया था फॉर द ऑस्कर्स दिस ईयर। या Although लापता लेडीज चली गई, this film is something that everybody can't stop talking about. तो चलिए आज ही के दिन, which is also the birth anniversary of Savitri Bai Phule, who's a pioneering social reformer and educationist, this film directed by Payal Kapadia releases, starring Kani Kusruti, there's Divya Prabha, Chaya Kadam and Ridu Haroon in pivotal roles. Now the other one that's releasing on Disney Plus Hotstar is Guna. Okay, after All We Imagine Is Light, Guna Season 2, phenomenal success of first season. It's back with new episodes of Guna, which is an action-packed series that centers around a seasoned gambler whose plan for vengeance takes an unexpected turn when he crosses paths with a mysterious girl. It is headlined by Kashmir Mahajani, Surbhi Jyoti and Zain Ibad Khan. अब चलते हैं फिल्म रिलीज के बारे में, जो मैं बात करूंगी when I come back on the other side, so why don't you stay tuned?
Hello Trippers, I am Parikshit Chaudhary. As the clock reset, let's reset too. Our goals, our energy and our aspirations. Here is to a year of bold moves, big dreams and extraordinary results. Stay inspired, stay passionate, and let's make 2025 unforgettable. Happy New Year everyone.
Hello Trippers, this is Deep Kalra, and as we welcome 2025, I want to thank each and every one of you for your dedication and hard work throughout 2024. It's been an amazing year for the company. It's been a very special year and only made possible with your contributions. So let's make the next year even better. Wishing each one of you and your family members, your loved ones, a very happy new year.
अगर फिल्म के बारे में बात करनी हो फिल्मी फ्राइडे पर, तो एक थिएटर रिलीज होना तो जायज़ है, और एक ही हो रहा है, which is a franchise, Sonic the Hedgehog 3. It is an animated adventure movie जो आपने पहले भी देखा होगा. If you haven't, you must. It's lovely. I mean, the fact that it's got a success that has got it to the third sequel, so I mean, it speaks for itself, right? Now, Sonic joins the forces with Tails, and Knuckles is trying to stop Shadow the Hedgehog and his allies, scientists Ivo and Gerald Robotnik, from destroying the planet. Oh, you're going to love this. Go catch it in the theaters today. And talking about now international releases on OTT platform, so here again series that I have to talk about. One is Bandidos Season 2. This is on Netflix. After an engaging season, the makers of Bandidos are back with a new adventure that follows Miguel Morales, who is a hustler, and his group of skilled misfits embark on a new journey to uncover the long-lost treasure of Snake King in the Maya River. Interesting. एक और जो रिलीज हो रहा है Netflix पर ही, Selling the City. Now, this is an exciting reality series that follows a group of talented real estate agents जो हासिल करते हैं against the best to sell the most expensive properties in New York. Interesting. मैंने एक आध एपिसोड्स देखे हैं और काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग लगा था ये. I mean, who would imagine of putting real estate agents, the real estate agents, into a reality show? The last one is a series again called Lockabye, A Search for Truth, which is on Geo Cinema. It is headlined by Oscar winner Colin Firth. It is based on Lockabye, who's a character. It's a gripping 5-part drama that revolves around Jim Swire, who sets out in search of justice for his daughter who died in the bombing of Pan Am Flight 103. This is going to be quite a thrilling experience, so I think you should go start the TV. Well, if not today, then maybe tomorrow. But make the most of the weekend. Coming back to take you through Social Spotlight.
Hi Trippers, this is Prakash Sangam here. As 2025 begins, I'm super excited about all that we're going to be accomplishing together. Wishing everyone a year of fulfillment and success. Happy New Year.
Social Spotlight on Go MMT Radio.
And last but not the least, before I close the show, it's time for the Social Spotlight. Filmy Friday with your host Annie on Go MMT Radio. MMT के इंस्टा पेज पर जाओगे तो न्यू ईयर पोस्ट को तो आपको देखना ही है because it has been featured on many other Insta handles. And of course, it's giving you the very first long weekend calendar ऑफ द ईयर 2025. सिर्फ एक ही नहीं बट काफ़ी सारे हैं. एंड कैन आई ऐड कि 2025 में काफ़ी सारे लंबे वीकेंड्स हैं जिनके प्लान्स आपको अभी से करने हैं और MMT आपको ज़रूर मदद करेगा. MMT होम स्टे में अगर आप देखें तो ग्राइंड नहीं अनवाइंड इन्फ्लुएंसर रील बाय शीफा is something you have to check out. She's got some really cool things to say about MMT homestay, and there is yet another New Year post that is promising you of some of the most exotic homestays जो आपने बिल्कुल भी मिस नहीं करने हैं. गो आईबीबो अगर देखें तो फुल वसूल स्टेज जो कि सेशेल्स में वो ऑफर कर रहे हैं गो आईबीबो की तरफ से. हाय, सेशेल्स इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एग्जॉटिक आइलैंड्स वी कैन थिंक ऑफ. स्नॉर्कलिंग से लेकर स्कूबा डाइविंग तक इतनी खूबसूरत कोरल लाइफ आप देखेंगे, मरीन लाइफ वहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं कि आप बिल्कुल खुश हो जाओगे. And then of course a New Year post that has got featured on other platforms. MMT ने 2025 को और भी खूबसूरत बनाने का तो मतलब मन बना ही लिया है, इसीलिए आप भी MMT के सारे इंस्टा प्लेटफॉर्म्स को ज़रूर चेक कीजिएगा. Well, with that, I've come to the end of the Social Spotlight as well as the show Filmy Friday. I'm your host Annie. This is Go MMT Radio. I'll be catching you again on Monday with Badhai Ho. Till then, Happy New Year again. Happy 2025 and keep the smile on.
Hello Trippers, this is Mohit Kabra wishing you and your loved ones a very happy new year. Let's make 2025 a year of growth, success and incredible achievements together. All the very best.
Hello Trippers, this is Abhishek Lugani. As we end an exciting and eventful 2024, let's step into 25 with a lot more enthusiasm. Here's wishing you, your family a very healthy, happy and a successful 2025. Happy New Year.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel. Go MMT Radio. Let's go. Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.